My name is Brian Pickowitz with LEA Professional, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that is implemented in 4.0.4.0 firmware or higher. It's called Quick Setup Mode. So if you're on 4.0.4.0 firmware or higher, up in the top right, you'll see you have this Quick Setup toggle. So if the toggle is off, you'll notice it's just our normal WebUI that we've had for years. Whenever you toggle it on, you get a new quick setup channel view, which I'll run you through. Again, I said it must be on 4.0.4.0 firmware, so a quick way to check, click on the information icon, amp settings, scroll down to device information, and just make sure you're on at least 4.0.4.0 or higher firmware. So quick setup is exactly what it says. So it's meant to do just simple, easy setups without having to go through a bunch of steps. So let's say on channel 1, I'm going to go ahead and set up a new zone. And I'll just walk you through each one. So this particular zone, I want analog 1 plus 2. I want to select 34 dB mode to give me some additional input gain. And then next I go to my speaker settings. So this is where I can select if I have a low Z 4 ohm, 8 ohm type speaker, or if I have a transformer speaker with 70 volt or 100 volt. So I'll just say I have a low Z. Next is the speaker type. So custom leaves everything flat. So no high pass, no low pass, no settings, but we do give you a couple options. So let's say you have just want to quick select a subwoofer for this channel. When I select subwoofer, it automatically, and I'm skipping ahead here slightly, it automatically has a preset for your high pass and low pass filter for a subwoofer. Let's say I have a full range speaker, same thing. When I go down to my high pass settings, it automatically sets a high pass that in both conditions, I can adjust the high pass filter if I want. Just gives you a quick setup point for that type of speaker. So I'll go ahead and say I have a custom speaker. Next you'll see is this additional gain here. And what that is let's say you have some sort of streaming music player, you're in 34 dB mode and it's just not quite loud enough for you, and you're not achieving full out. This additional gain will give you some more gain. As I increase that, you can see my output's increased, and I'm clipping a little bit now. So if you do have a piece of equipment where 34 dB is not enough, you can use this additional gain to get your outputs a little hotter and back where you want them to be so you achieve full output. Put that back to 0. Next is the EQ settings. So you can see we have this manual mode, and what that does is allows me to adjust bass, mid, and treble. So let's say I want a little bit more bass out of my system. I want to add 3 dB there. Let's say I want to cut my mids a couple dB there. And let's say I want to just increase my treble slightly. You can see there. So now you get your standard bass, mid, and treble adjustments. We also give you some presets for EQ. So we've got a bass boost, bass reduce, treble reduce, and then a mid and vocal boost and reducer as well. So those are more presets. So like if I click bass boost, it'll just give me a quick bass boost adjustment. So that's what that is. Then after that, we've got just standard high pass and low pass filters. So I am in custom, so it didn't set them. So if I go ahead and set a high pass filter, it'll automatically set a high pass and low pass filter for me. And then we've got smart power bridge, which just as a reminder, let's say I want to smart power bridge this channel. I just doubled the amount of power available on channel 1, but I did not sacrifice channels 2, 3, and 4. So that was a quick setup of channel 1 from scratch, from just setting up a brand new zone. Then I'll just show you kind of another easy way to set it up. So down at the bottom we have this speaker tuning import. So I'm going to go ahead and set up channels 2, 3, and 4 with a tuning file. Just as a reminder, you can go to leaprofessional.com, resources, downloads, and download over 3,000 speaker tuning files. So if you find one that's available there, You can go ahead and download those and import them. I just made 3 individual ones. So let's say channel 2 is my satellite speaker. Go ahead and do that and click import. And then now you can see it renamed it. It set my source, what I had for the preset. I'm going to go ahead and select that for analog 1 and 2. My satellite speaker is a 70 volt. And let's say I want to make some manual EQ adjustments. I just go in here. Let's say I want to boost the treble by a couple dB. Good to go. So quick and easy setup. So I'll move on channel 3. So channel 2 is my satellite speaker. Let me import another one. Let's say this is a different 70 volt speaker. Click import. So it'll go ahead and import all of those settings. Let's go ahead and make my input adjustment to 1 and 2 to match the others. And let's say this last channel is my subwoofer. So I'll click import, click on the subwoofer. I'm just deselecting the inputs because I know I'll have to change them anyway. Then I'll go ahead and change that to 1 and 2 and we're good. So again, you can bounce back and forth between the quick setup mode and the regular WebUI. So if I go back to this regular WebUI, then I have all my normal settings. Click on quick setup, gives you the ability to set it up nice and quick. So that's quick setup mode. Again, that's available on 4.0.4.0 firmware or higher. If you got any questions, go to leaprofessional.com and you can fill out our contact form with your question. Or if you scroll down to the very bottom of our homepage, we have tech support's information. So you can also email us any of your questions at techsupport@leaprofessional.com.